Hi guys, and welcome back to another Fortnite video. Today on the Kangarooboy05 channel, I am joined again by Mr. xAuz. Go check him out on YouTube. He has a YouTube channel called xAuz. Anyway, today, guess what we're doing? We are using the Scoped Revolver just to test it out and have a few fun times with it and stuff. So are you prepared for that?
Are you gonna start a mini game or?
Oh yes, we will be starting a mini game, but I said, are you prepared? Good, alright. So, we've got a few little tests set up for this. It's gonna be very good, alright. So we'll just land down. Oh, we forgot to delete all the prefabs. Ah well.
Oh well.
It's okay. Anyway, so we'll start by coming back to the little spawn area. I'm gonna grab the thing. Guns. Let's grab that. Alright. So, first one. Test on the wooden wall. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit. 4 hits for the wooden wall. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit, 5 hit, 6 hit, 7 hit. Alright, 7 hit on the brick wall. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, there is 12 hits on the metal wall. So, if you want to do that, well, use your metal if you're having a battle with this thing. Now let's just see if it makes a difference if we use the scope. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so far no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, no difference whatsoever. Alright, my dear friend, are you ready for the next test? Alright. First test. Scope body shot.
Oof.
Alright, 3 with no shield. Headshots. 1, 2.
You got me to 12 health with the first one.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so that was without shields. Now, in this chest there are 4 big pods. Would you be so kind as to grab those, please? Body shot. 1. If I can get it aligned. 2, 3, 4, 5. That wasn't double. Was it?
No, you did 5.
Yeah, and first one was 3.
I think it's because, like, you know how, like, I was on 12 health and then you killed me?
Yeah.
So that could have changed.
Okay.
I reckon it's gonna be like 3 or 4. 3.
Yep, 3. Right, 3 shots. So 1 extra. So it was 2 extra on the body shots with shield, and 1 extra with the headshots with shield. Alright. One, 2, 3.
No
Right,
difference.
3 with no scope, no difference. Over here for headshot, because why not? Build all these things, might as well use them. It's got a really big recoil is one thing that you have to take into account. And bullet drop is actually quite... Yeah, it's pretty... It's sort of good, sort of bad. Right. 1, 2. Oh, missed because he moved. 2. Okay, so it was just 2 with the headshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5 hits. No difference yet again with the no scope. I don't think there's going to be any difference. Stop crouching. 1, 2. How dare you? 3. Alright, same, exactly the same. For the ramps with the wood. No scope is 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 hits with the no scope for the wooden ramp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits with the brick ramp, no scope, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so there's actually only 11 for the metal ramp, so that's 1 hit less. It actually has a little bit less health than the metal wall, so that would make sense. Alright, so there was a little difference. So now we can put these back. Alright. So. 1, 2. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Gotta be scoping in on this one. Reload. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Normal again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11. Alright, still 1 less with the metal. Okay, that's interesting. I'm ready.
Make sure to go through the door.
2, 3. Alright. Yeah, you're doing your crazy things.
Professional Fortnite player. Behind you, kid.
Yeah.
I edited here, by the way. Oh, he dropped me.
Yep, tried to.
You're annoying. But what would you know?
No, you fell off.
No, I didn't. What are you talking about? I've got the high ground.
Is that so?
If I'd stop choking every millisecond. Now I do. Was that a blank hit marker or something? Because I swear it hit me. No, but I heard the noise.
A bit of high ground there. Trying to trap me, are you?
Yeah, if I had
that
traps.
greatly. Oh, 1 hit. Okay, 2 hits. God damn it. Oh god, I fell off. Wait.
I was like, which one's not reloaded? I didn't even know. No, my game's FPS dips like every 4 seconds, but I am playing on cover blindness mode.
Okay, can you stop triangling me? It's annoying. Alright, anyway, we'll have best of 3. Just Yep.
Color blindness mode isn't actually that bad.
Well, what's so good about it?
I don't know. My FPS is like 1 higher.
So that's good, yeah, okay. Not good for us, but good for you, I suppose. Those times when glider redeploy actually saves you. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh, what am I doing?
You're standing still while aiming down sights on me. Ah, he hit me again, twice, and I don't know how to build.
No scopes. Are you friend? Oh god damn it, you were one hit, weren't you?
I'm gonna assault you with wood.
Oh, come on, for crying out loud. Oh, come on, I fell it all the way down. Oh, I triangled myself as well. This always happens. What do you get for putting a triangle key right next to your edit key?
You've done better.
Thanks.
Yeah, actually. Eat the pyramid. You know I have edits on this map, right?
God damn it. Alright, well you won.
GG.
GG, alright, you won that one, but now we have a different sort of minigame. Battle Royale.
What type?
Battle thing. It is a no building one. So if I see any building, I will be angry. Right.
Oh, we're just gonna do this, but we can't build.
No, you're coming over to me. I'm to your left. Follow? Over here. Right, so, shield up.
You already have?
Right, pickaxe the llama. Right, grappler each. No reshielding.
That was insane!
Yeah, I know. Alright. No building and we got grapplers only, alright. Stand next to me. 3, 2, 1.
So it's in a grapple.
Yeah.
I swear you've reshielded somehow.
No. Oh, what's your HP, please?
24.
Oh, well, you're one hit! Alright, in this one you can't reshield, it's continuous fight, by the way. Forgot to say that.
I respawned.
Oh. Alright. I get one respawn then as well. Alright.
Ah, I'm dead.
Oh, gotcha, good. Alright. I can respawn. Alright, so 1 kill each, first to 5 kills.
I'm so bad at no spawning.
I think I'm a bit better. Alright. 2 to 1.
But I am a bit better at the quick scopes.
Yeah, you're definitely better at the quick scopes, but just watch it with the no scopes.
Now I'm learning to no scope.
Okay, I hate how you are so quick on the uptake of how to do this.
It's called Try
I
Hard
just had the
Every
perfect
Day.
idea.
And it did.
I had the perfect idea.
It's called... Like, I get it on your head, then I shoot it. Instead of just randomly firing. "12 health, come at me."
You know
Are you
what?
like
What are you?
pickaxe?
No pickaxing, just the scoped revolver. Alright, I missed. I actually missed! What?
That was a headshot.
Oh god. Alright.
For me, I'm not even
you.
touching.
Okay, that's annoying. That is annoying. You're on 4 kills for this round.
It's about to be... I was on 12 health, so nice shot. Bunny hop. Biscuit.
Okay, you're on 5 kills. Let's go first to 10. I'm on 2 or 3. How many?
Okay, I don't know how to use...
Say I'm on 3. No, actually I think it's 2. God. Wait, okay, I didn't even see a bullet fire there, but okay, sure.
I grappled down to the side and hit you behind it.
Hides underneath.
Yeet.
How'd you miss that shot?
But then I can hit that one, and that one, and this bloom is so bad. That one.
Alright, 7-2. Oh my god. I've been anchored.
Just practice from the deagle.
Yeah, I know. The deagle snipes are annoying. Oh, good. That was a bit of a redeemer for me.
$12 HP? Not even close.
Oh my god, 8-2.
Was that a headshot?
Yeah, 8-3. Hit me up, thank you.
$360 ooga booga booga.
360 ooga booga
I can't even see you.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man. I need to go get something.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
You're gonna get that chest, aren't you?
Is that so? Not even close. If I can stay up, thank God for infinite
Oh,
ground.
you're getting a turret.
No,
Or a plane or something.
that's right. Ooga booga booga!
No, you're not. It takes so long to start up, so it's...
You know the plane.
Wait, it's
the
flying itself.
Yeah, because it's automatic launch system. Okay, it uses the ice, the boost, and then
I can't go in these turrets, what the...
and then the
Oh, now I can.
then the bounces. Right, flip that.
How? Oh, that was midair. What the?
Come on, let me in. Let me in. Come on. 360. 360 plane shots. Are you serious?
360 headshot.
360 ooga ooga ooga.
Get your plane out of it.
Alright, thanks guys for watching. We're just gonna continue shooting plane at each other. I'm gonna continue doing this anyway. He's gonna just keep sniping me like that. Right, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment on this video for any other ideas that you might have for me. And I shall see you all in the next one. Bye!